Hear that sound? Hear that rumble? That's because we've got tractor action going on. Just wanted to document the lowering, the great lowering of the Oskaloosa fire hydrant onto its permanent home, its bright red color. Isn't that a beautiful thing? Oh my goodness gracious me. Look at that baby. And there is the New Holland. Just happening, just working. Got some crap. My box just about in there. Yowza, look at that baby, huh? We got a box spreader. We got the big old bucket. Anyway, it is a beautiful thing, let me tell you. A little bit of touch-up paint. Actually, we're just about to pressure test it right this very second. Bye-bye.